evidence of the research, development, and extension sector's persistent drive to contribute to the realization of the college's vision, mission, goals, and thrusts is manifested in the activity conducted on February 26 to 27, 2020 in Blue Coast Beach Hotel, Santa Ana, Cagayan. These activities include the 2020 RDE Planning, Research Proposal Review, Ethics Review Committee meeting, and RDE Team Building. In today's morning session, Mr. Elmer D. Pakipak, the Extension Director, welcomed the participants with the different strategies on how to strengthen the implementation of RDE services of the college. Dr. Rexton F. Jacas, the college president, emphasized the importance of research as part of our academic life and to make extension a part or a function of our community engagement the MPSPC way. Mr. Rolando M. Tawana Jr. from the Research Development Unit and Ms. May Crislin V. Gumihid from the Extension Unit discussed the 2020 RDE Plan. On the updates of special projects, Dr. Alvar Claudio, Director for Coffee Center, presented the highlights on the coffee project, Mr. Ferdinand Padua on the dairy project, Mr. Elmer D. Pakipak, Project Leader on the SAFE project, Dr. Epifania Maguilang, Project Leader on the Tilapia project, and Ms. Luzlin Aguilang on the Citizen Satisfaction Index System Survey. Dr. Venus Grace K. Fagiad, Vice President for Resource Generation and Linkages, gave the highlights of RGL support towards commercialization of RDE outputs. Mr. Alexander T. Donato, Budget Office Representative, explained the 2020 RDE budget, while Mr. Raymond Ututan and Mr. William Tangilag Sr. discussed on various concerns in Accounting Office and Cashiering Office respectively. To end the morning session, Dr. Anigril F. Akid, Vice President for Research Development and Extension, stressed the identifying training needs or capability building. For the afternoon session, the team of evaluators will review a total of 80 research proposals under Education, Social Science, and AFNR. Also, the Ethics Review Committee met to orient the members on their roles and functions and to craft an action plan. Lastly, the participants will engage in a team building activity in Palaui Island tomorrow. This is the Road Roller News.